Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Indoorsy Mom, and today I'm sharing with you a super quick and easy recipe that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. We're making a mushroom omelette. It's healthy, delicious, and only takes about 10 minutes to make. This is one of my go-to meals when I'm busy or just want something comforting and tasty without spending too much time in the kitchen. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a splash of milk, season with salt and pepper, and beat well. Set aside. In a pan, heat a bit of olive oil. Sauté chopped onion and sliced mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper and cook until softened. Pour in the egg mixture. Sprinkle some dried parsley on top. Once it's halfway cooked, gently fold the omelette in half. Flip to cook the other side evenly. Before it's fully done, sprinkle some shredded cheese and a dash of chili flakes on top. Serve immediately while hot and gooey. Enjoy your homemade mushroom omelette. And that's it. Our cheesy mushroom omelette is ready. So simple, but so satisfying. I love how it turns out every time. Soft eggs, sautéed mushrooms, melted cheese, and that little kick from the chili flakes. It's the kind of comfort food that feels fancy, but takes no time at all. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick, easy, and budget-friendly meals. Comment below if you want to see more healthy breakfast ideas, or if you have your own favorite omelette toppings. I'd love to try them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye and happy cooking!